Your story is your brand's biggest superpower. Are you using it? Too many women think their story is too messy, too boring, or not special enough. The truth is, your story is the reason people will connect and buy from you. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your brand story this fall with confidence and simplicity. Before we dive in, make sure you grab my free brand story blueprint PDF inside my Facebook group, Empower Collective. It's step-by-step guidance to help you define and articulate your origin story. The link is right below in the description. First, let's talk about stepping into the identity of I am the brand. This is where so many entrepreneurs get stuck. We hide behind logos, colors, or the idea of looking professional, when in reality, people want to connect with you. Here's how to start. Shift your mindset. Your brand is not your logo, it's you. The way you show up, your energy, your story. Embody your values. If you want to be seen as trustworthy, supportive, or inspiring, start living those values in how you show up online and offline. Build confidence through consistency. The more you share even small stories, the easier it gets. Second, create a story-driven launch plan. Here's a simple 5-day calendar you can use for your next launch. Day 1, share your why you started. Day 2, share your turning point. What shifted for you? Day 3, share your mission. What drives you today? Day 4, give a behind-the-scenes look, real life, not perfection. Day 5, invite people into your offer. Align this with fall themes, fresh starts, resets, growth. This way, your story flows naturally into your business invitation. Third, weave your story into your marketing so it doesn't feel salesy. Here's my go-to formula. I struggled with, insert the problem. I discovered, insert the solution. Now I help, insert the audience, with, insert the service. Focus on connection, not convincing. You're not pushing someone to buy, you're showing them what's possible through your journey. And if you have client transformations that tie into your story, share those too. They're valuable. That's where trust is built. And fourth, let's keep your launch workflow simple. You don't need 27 moving parts. Here's my stripped down version. Pre-schedule 2 to 3 posts and 1 email before launch week starts. Each day, aim for just 1 email and 1 live video and 1 social post. Automate follow-ups so you're not scrambling at the last minute. That's it. Lean, simple, and story-led, and you'll save your energy for actually connecting with your audience. So, what's your biggest takeaway from today's video? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget, you can grab my free brand story blueprint PDF inside my Facebook group, Empower Collective. The link is in the description. It's going to help you put everything we talked about today into action. Thanks for watching, and remember, your story is your brand's most powerful tool. See you in the next video.